Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to color grade. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the sign up option. From here, just follow with the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Color grading in Adobe Premiere Pro is an essential part of post-production that helps enhance the look of your footage, giving it a professional feel. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do is to open the color workspace. So in my case, I'm going to be using this, and you need to import all the clips or the video that you wanted to color grade. Alright, now, in this scenario, if you haven't imported any video clips yet, go to the file, click the import, or the shortcut is going to be Ctrl+I if you're using Windows. If you're using Mac, just press the Command+I, and what will happen is I'm going to drag a video here, which is this one. All right, now I'm going to unlink the audio and retain the video. For you to be able to color grade, I want you to click the effects panel. If you don't know how to get the effects panel, go to Windows, click the effects panel, or go here, click the effects. From here, all you have to do is type in Lumetri. You see that? Or go here again in the window, click the Lumetri color. It should appear on the right side panel of your dashboard. And of course, you just have to select the video that you wanted to color grade. So I'm going to hover this to make a bigger workspace. And from here, you have all these sections that you can play with. All right. Number one is going to be the intensity. Intensity is about the brightness of your video. If you wanted to bump the intensity to whatever you want. All right. So we have the basic correction. All right. You can also put in any presets that you wanted. For example, big HDR. You see that? You can choose from any of the following options here. So it's up to you. Right? And then the intensity, you can tone it down if you feel like it's very intense. And then if you want to sharpen the details of your video, you can add it here. Right? You can put in the vibrance if you feel like the video is kind of dull, right? Saturation, if you want a saturated effect, you can bump it a little bit or decrease it down, depending on, of course, your preferences. Now, if you want to add a vignette, you see you can untick here or tick that to add a vignette. You also have an option for the temperature if you want to kind of like put it a little warmer or in the tint. For the tone, you can down the exposure if you wanted, probably here, a little bit dark. If you can also add a contrast if you want. So you have all these options for you. And again, remember, you are not limited with the tools, but you are only limited with your creativity. Once you are happy with the effects that you wanted, again, color grading is something that you want to test and do it for yourself. But basically, you just have to go to the Lumetri color. Once you're happy, just go to the file section, import the video that you have color graded here in Adobe Premiere Pro. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.